Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, MrBee Handyman Specialist. Today I'm going to show you how to replace an oil on 2018 Toyota Rav4 Hybrid. First you need to remove the oil filter cap. Remove the oil filter, which is you can use a 3/8 ratchet and a 1-inch 3/8 extension. After the oil filter removed, then you're gonna need to remove the oil filter inserts and put in the new one. And after that, take the old O-ring out and replace it with the new one that comes with it. Now the next step is very important. This is what I usually do in all my cars that I change the oil or other people's car, which is prime the oil filter, because oil filter is the first thing that oil go through before it go through to your engine and lubricate all the parts. And if you don't do this, it's kind of like running the engine with no oil, but just for a few seconds, but it's gonna put wear and tear on your motor. After I replace the oil filter, then I'll drain the oil. This is my last step that I usually do, but either way you can drain the oil first and then replace the oil filter, or replace the oil filter first and then drain the oil. It doesn't matter which one you want to do. And the last step is to fill up your oil to the proper level, and then you want to start the car up just for a quick second. Make sure the oil circulated, and then let it sit for a couple minutes and then recheck the level, and that's it.